it's Angie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and staying healthy. For today's video, I want to share with you guys a really quick but delicious cheese stick sandwich recipe that we like to have on occasion for dinner. So if you guys want to know how it is that I make this recipe, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients that I'm gonna need for these cheese steak sandwiches. I like to use shaved beef steak. I also like to use provolone cheese, and that one's smoked flavor. The French rolls, these are the ones that I'm using. Salt, pepper, a little bit of minced garlic, bell pepper, and a brown onion. We're not gonna use all of the onion, guys, but you will need some of it. Okay, so let's start cooking. Also, you guys, I will be serving these sandwiches with the side of onion rings and french fries, but feel free to serve it with any side you guys like. Even potato chips will go great with these sandwiches, guys. Alright guys, so I have here a skillet that's been heating up for about a minute or two. It's at medium-low heat, and all I did was just add some cooking spray oil instead of actual oil. I just feel that the oil is just going to be too much for me, because the meat is going to release some of its own fat, just like all regular food does. So what I'm going to do first is add a tiny bit of the minced garlic here, just about that much. There you go. I'm just going to mix it around just to give the meat a little extra flavor. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and add the meat. Oopsie. Spread it out evenly. And we're going to season it. Salt and pepper, and then we're going to mix it. Okay, so you guys, this meat, obviously it is extremely thin, so do not walk away from it, because it will overcook extremely fast. As you can see, it's already starting to cook really fast. So just keep an eye on it and keep on mixing it like this, and I'll be back with you guys once all the meat has cooked. Okay, alright guys, so as you can see, there is hardly any moisture left in the beef. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and add the veggies. And you guys, when the beef was cooking, it does tend to just cluster together a lot. But if you keep on continuously moving it like this, it would break apart a little. That way you don't get like big old pieces of meat for your sandwiches. So once it's nice and cooked, we're going to go ahead and add the veggies. Just break the onion apart when you're dropping it in there, like so. And the bell pepper. I know guys, the pieces look big, but like I said, I want to be able to have a bite of it and taste it when I'm having my sandwich. So let's go ahead and start mixing it in. Let me lower the heat a little. My heat is at medium-low heat, so that the meat doesn't burn, but the veggies are still able to cook. And what I'm going to do at this point, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cover it, and then just let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the moisture of the meat can cook the veggies. So let me go ahead and cover it. Alrighty, alright guys, I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes, okay? Alright guys, let's go ahead and look at our veggies. Amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. So you want for the onion, you guys, to look transparent, and that's how you know that it's cooked. And the bell pepper is tender but not soggy, and that's also what I want in my sandwich. I don't like soggy vegetables, but to each its own. So now guys, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh yeah, make sure you guys that you spread the veggies evenly. That way when you get the beef to put it in your sandwich, you have a nice even amount of veggies in there, not just a bunch of meat. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, it's time to add the cheese. So we're gonna go ahead and okay, you guys, turn off the heat and start adding, just piling on these beautiful slices of provolone cheese, because life is beautiful, and the more cheese, the more beautiful it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how many slices cover my beef, and we're gonna let it melt, you guys. Oh, those are my French fries and my onion rings. We're gonna let it melt without the cover, because I don't want any moisture to touch the cheese, because I don't like moisty cheese either. So let it melt, and then we're gonna go ahead and assemble our sandwiches. Here it is. Our beef is ready with delicious melted cheese on top. Also, our French fries and our onion rings are ready. All right guys, let's assemble these sandwiches. Hey guys, here are our sandwiches ready to be enjoyed and devoured by hungry people. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Let me know if you try this recipe in the comments. Please like and subscribe as well if you like the video. Thank you guys for watching again, and remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and also guys, if it's not enough cheese for you, you can go ahead and add a lot more extra cheese, as much as you want. All right guys, take care, because I did add more cheese to this. Oh yes. Bye guys.